Alright, you guys, so this is what the macaroni and cheese looks like. It's bubbling away. I just took it straight out the oven. In the oven 350 for 15 minutes, or just to toast up the top, and that's it. This is what my shrimp mac and cheese looks like. Ooh. On my next video. Okay guys, bye. So this is what my mac and cheese looks like. You see it's nice and golden brown on top. You can still see that the parsley is nice and bright because we didn't bake it to death. All I did was heat it up, make sure the top got golden brown, and I took it out.